Okay, invite everybody for BULA dance.
We gonna dance party. Come on, we gonna BULA party. You got to be there. We gonna come a party.
Okay, the travel professor is here on Beachcomber Island. Beachcomber Island has the reputation of being one of the party islands. It targets the youth market, the backpacker market, and it's in the Mamanucas Group in Fiji, off Nandi. So I'm here on a field trip with my students. What I want to talk about today is socio-cultural impacts on islands. As we know, tourism can have many different effects on the local community. One of those is socio-cultural. There's some positive benefits, such as getting to learn different cultures, practicing the local culture, being able to use their English and practice that. There's also some negative social cultural impacts, and some of those have been mentioned in the literature. These include things like the demonstration effect or imitation effect, where there can be some clashes of culture. Now, one good thing about having an island resource like this is that the landowning unit, VCC on the mainland, which owns the island, can set the island up as a tourist resort, so the tourists can essentially play and do what they like away from the local community. So this can have the added benefits of distancing the local community from some of the negative impacts that tourism may bring, especially at a backpacker place like Beachcomber. Now, we've seen this in other places around the world, like the Maldives. Maldives have some islands that are just for locals and some islands that are for the tourists.